Hi there. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to install Git on Ubuntu Linux. Git is a distributed version control system that allows multiple people to work on the same project, and it allows to track changes during development. And to install Git on Ubuntu, let's know the commands. So first, launch the terminal window and issue the following command: sudo apt update. This will update the package list on the system. So enter the root password. Oops. This will take some time. This will update all the package list. Once you're done with the command, then issue the following command: sudo apt install git -y. This command will install Git on Ubuntu Linux. The -y flag will suppress the confirmation dialog. That's it, you're done with the installation. Uh, you can cross verify by issuing the following command: git version. This is the version that is installed on the machine. So now you can work using the git command line on the Linux machine. For example, git clone to clone the repository, etc.